Hello everyone, it's 24th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have, which is the world page, Ukraine, Russia, US to take up land dispute at UAE talks. Then we have Iran crackdown tolls over 5,000 as Trump warns of US Armada. Then we have Israel seeks to curb Palestinian return via Rafah crossing. Then we have Denmark, NATO to boost Arctic security amid Greenland crisis. Then we have ice out. Minnesota begins economic strike to protest surge in immigration enforcement. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have FTA can lower reliance on China, Russia, US, EU foreign policy chief, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have government discusses protocol against to national anthem for Vande Mataram, again very important. Then we have Adani stock falls as US SEC plans email summons to Gautam Adani, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have reinsurgers pay $125 million to Air India for hull engine loss in Ahmedabad air crash, again very important. Then moving forward we have on wettest January day in 2 years, maximum temperature falls by 11 degrees, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward we have Hyderabad youth ends up as cyber slave in Thailand, again very important for cyber crime perspective. Then we have overthrow Yunus regime, Hasina to voters ahead of Bangladesh polls, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have the editorial page where we have the familiar world order will not return, what India and EU can build, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have don't draw salary HC to Navi Mumbai civil chief over pollution over violation, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have India's first glass museum coming up in Firozabad, beyond bangles what awaits inside, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have Operation Sindoor R-Day tableau to showcase India's ability to strike deep, strike fast, again very important for defense perspective. Then we have when highway comes to Bastar, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have the antibiotic pipeline is running dangerously dry, again very important for health perspective. Then we have corporate India sales data raises questions over GDP growth, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have ecos of Gujarat as Rajasthan looks to bring disturbed areas law, again very important for law perspective. Then moving forward we have the economy page where we have transmission lags behind RE power curtailment, MNRE SECI. Then we have central bank readies liquidity boost of rupees 1.25 lakh crore. Both these news are very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.